Hey everyone, this is Blaine Parema here, and I'm going to show you guys how to use this application and sign up and all that kind of stuff. So first of all, you would have got an email. First of all, you get two emails, the top two ones here. Don't worry about the ones below that. That's just other stuff I have going on. So you would get the login, the second from the top, the login details for online training. So basically, it's saying you can log in here if you're at paremaperformance.com/member login. That would be if you're using a browser. That's not if you're using your app, right? So you can either use an app or a browser. It's up to you. Okay. Most people do use the app, and I know for iOS, like anything Apple, the app works really good, and Android, for some reason, it doesn't. So I know they're working on it. So if you're having problems with the Android, then you just may have to do it in the browser. But anyways, you take your password here, you copy it, right? You go back and then you got your actually go there. So you can click at the bottom for your iOS app. You can do that, right? Or go back here. And then you have another one right here where it says you can, you know what, it's another one, another email you would have got right after. And then it says here you can download and you can get the iTunes one or the Google Play one, whatever. Join my private Facebook group there. That's where we'll take most of the discussions and questions and answers. So you click there and it'll take you to that as well. Okay, so say you downloaded the app. I already have it here. There you go. And then I would just would have used my at iCloud.com. Okay, and then I would just paste that thing right there. There you go. Now I use John Smith obviously as just like a test, just to show you guys how to do all this stuff. But first of all, what you will do is you'll go to the forms here, informed consent. You'll put all your name in there, signature, put your information in there, and then save it, and then I'll have it. We'll both have it. You do your lifestyle questionnaire, fill all that stuff out. Okay, so it's just getting information from you, and there's a par queue as well. Go through all of that, and then sign it with your finger, save, and then you're done. So those are the first things you want to do, right? And then what you got, you can always look in here for messages. This one right here, and there I think I was doing a test messenger or whatever. So you always want to make sure you check the messages because I leave messages for you guys when after I look at your workouts and stuff, and if things need to be adjusted. Um, the tracking, you look at the bottom here. That's all your stuff, right? So you could put progress photos. You could take your picture and you can add photos. Food diary, enter in your food diary. I'll see all that. And then there's results tracking where you got daily tracking. Um, Nothing there. And then you got weekly tracking as well. Okay. Um, there will be, depending on what kind of program you have, there will be different tracking in there. There should be, oh yeah, okay, there, that's how it goes. So you add results. So the daily tracking, it says add result. I want your hours of sleep, your energy levels, and your body weights. You're weighing daily, right? And then you're going to do the weekly tracking as well. You're going to do your measurements, okay? And I'd like to do your photos every second week, okay? Coaching, always look in the coaching tab here in the bottom because this is where you're going to have videos. So I just signed up here, and then you're going to have a welcome video where I'm talking to you guys. There's the diet, PDF presentation, uh, introduction. There's a lot of stuff I go over here, and there's another presentation on diet application examples. So this is actually really important. These first ones, it takes a little bit of time, but it goes over. This is like the meat and potatoes of it. You have to understand this diet. You have to understand the diet application examples. If you don't understand that, you don't got anything. Okay. Um, and then the welcome and introduction, whatever. I just talk about whatever kind of the program and welcome you and stuff like that, right? Programs. If you want to look in here, this is your exercise programs. And basically, I got weeks 1 to 4. There are little notes on top. So let's say, for instance, you're going to do a workout. Say today you're going to do a workout. So you come in here. This is the overview of the workout. Start your workout. Section 1, let's go. And you can start that, right? Okay. And reps. Say you did the body weight squat. Said you did 15 reps at 0, so that'd be body weight. Save set. Okay, and so you do it as it goes along, right? Reps, uh, 20. You can put body weight, or you don't have to put anything. You can just put whatever. Body weight, save it, right? And it'll go back and forth. So you really just do it. 25, uh, 0, and then you can make notes after something knee hurt or whatever, anything like that. Hopefully, chances are it won't hurt. That's just something that could come up, or it was tough, difficult, but you don't really need to make that much notes, if you don't have to, right? And so you'd enter all this stuff in, say 20 reps, and then it goes on to the next and next and next and next, and you just keep going through the whole thing like that, right? If you want, you can look at, if you go there, if you touch that little thing, the little chart thing there, it'll show you what you've done the previous workout. And also you can do a video of yourself recording the video, and then I can watch your form on it if you hit that little record button there. So there's lots of little good things here that you can do. So you play around with it, you'll learn how to do it, right? You push that little information button on how to do it, right? And then it shows you how to do the exercise, right? So those three things at the bottom there. The chart is your progress from last time. That's to record yourself. And that's how to do it, right? If you forget how to do the exercise. So it's got you taken care of pretty good, right? And then there. And then next time you come in, you do workout 2. Okay? Go back here. So we went over tracking, went over to coaching, and as things come, like you always check your coaching because there's always going to be new things added in here. I do coaching along the way, so you get little videos and PDFs and stuff, every few days that I sort of teach you, the ins and outs of weight loss in the program and stuff like that. Okay, so look in there. Your journey takes now, how to take measurements, and like I said, this stuff becomes more and more and more. At the end of it, I think you have, I don't know, 30 videos or whatever teaching you guys stuff. Okay, and then the schedule, there's stuff that are scheduled in, so you'll see, look at coaching video, coaching video, coaching video, PDF, coaching PDF, and then you got stuff if it's scheduled in here. So it does take a little bit of playing around to get used to, but there's so many things here. Like once you go with and you get all the content and that, you guys are going to be like weight loss pros and workout pros. And so what happens is every day after you guys do your workout, I always look in the morning and I go over the list and make sure everything's on the up and up. You have questions, go into the Facebook group and ask away. Here's the home screen. And once again, there's going to be messages, whatever. What else do we do here? Oh, select icon. Forgot about that. You can do that. And then you got the trainer. I have my own icon, CBP. I've changed the icon for online training. So you've got your own. So when you close it, BP, that's my own little apps. Pretty cool. Other than that, I think it's pretty straightforward. Sometimes when clients are inputting everything, they come across a little bit of problems. But when I see that in the back end, we'll go over everything. So just make sure you just with the programs and that you just go along with it. It's very straightforward. Start to workout. We'll do it back here. Let's see, workout 2, start workout. And you just go along with it. Reps. You did 15 reps with body weight squat. Let's say you did so it's 0 body weight. Incline dumbbell press, you did 15 reps with 15 pounders. Save. And you just keep going. It goes with you, so you don't gotta do anything, right? And then you can make your video. Like I said, check your progress. What you did last time. See, that's what it did last time. All that jazz. So yeah, you should have no problems whatsoever following this program and this workout. The browser is going to be a little bit different, but the premise is still the same on everything. And it's really just going to take, just like anything when it comes to this technology and digital stuff, is that you have to play around with it. and I have worked with so much of this stuff with my business, and you open it and you feel like, oh, it's so complicated, but it's really not. And they actually made this very user friendly, because they expect people not to have very much knowledge of technology. So just play around with it, and it will take a little bit of a learning curve at the beginning. And I wouldn't imagine, you play around with it for an hour or something on the first day or first couple of days, and then you're going to be good to go. And this is like, honestly, the way I'm able to deliver this program and the content and the teaching is, uh, it's great. It's like, the way, like, everything I teach is everything I know, and I put together what I thought was the most useful. So you guys will be cruising. So, anyways, that's it. I just wanted to go over how to show you how to use this thing. And yeah, so like I said, the iOS for Apple, it works really good. So whether it be your iPhone or your iPad or whatever, and apparently the Android doesn't work as good. So if you are running into problems with that, then you will have to do it on your browser. So all you have to do is just go and either you use Chrome or Safari or whatever you're using, do that, and you log in through the member login there on my site with your address and all that. Then you log in and just do it through there. Pretty much the same stuff. And that's it. Anyways, that's it. Play around with it. And you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.